Hey everybody, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Today we are taking a deep dive into Luna on the BlindShell Classic 3. Luna is a smart assistant designed for the BlindShell Classic 3. And although Luna is still learning and developing, it can already do a ton of things to help simplify your life. These are things like answering general knowledge questions, setting alarms, and even making phone calls for you. Not only that, but Luna can do a lot of helpful tasks throughout your day. Things like sending text messages, even checking the status of certain elements of your phone. Let me show you how it works. In order to activate Luna, you long press the side button. This is the long button on the right side of the phone.
I listen after a beep.
What time is it?
Luna, the current time is 2:51 p.m. in the America, New_York time zone.
What's the date?
Luna, today's date is May 7th, 2025.
How much battery do I have?
Luna, you have 100% battery and it is currently discharging.
Like I said though, you can also ask it general knowledge questions. What is the capital of the United States?
Luna, the capital of the United States is Washington, D.C.
Luna's also great for helping with those special occasions. Imagine you're planning a birthday party. Well, there's several ways that Luna can help with that as well. Add note, send out invitations, bake the cake, and buy a present.
Edit, send out invitations, bake a cake, and buy a present.
All right, first things first, I've got to send out that invitation. Send a text message to Michael. You're invited to a birthday party for Rachel on October 23rd at 5 p.m.
You're invited to a birthday party for Rachel on October 23rd at 5 p.m. Send message. 1 of 3. Message sent.
All right, now I've got to make the cake, so Luna's going to help me find a great peanut butter cake recipe. Find me a great peanut butter cake recipe.
Luna, here's a simple peanut butter cake recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup peanut butter, 1 cup sugar, 2 large eggs.
All right, it's the day before the big event, and we want to double check the weather just to make sure we're not going to have any surprises. What's the weather tomorrow?
Luna, tomorrow's weather will be overcast with an average temperature of about 15.1 degrees Celsius, 59.1 degrees Fahrenheit. The high will reach around 21.2 degrees Celsius, 70.2 degrees Fahrenheit, while the low will be approximately 6.2 degrees Celsius, 43.2 degrees Fahrenheit. There is no chance of rain.
Okay, 70 degrees with no chance of rain, slightly overcast. I think I can live with that. For a complete list of all the things Luna can do, definitely head over to the BlindShell product page. I'll have that link in the video description down below. Luna is already incredibly helpful, but the best part is that it's still learning, adapting, and getting better every day. So definitely check it out on the BlindShell Classic 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Sam with The Blind Life, and I will see you next time.